Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about the bane of every mechanic's life, locking wheel nuts. This new kit from Laser Tools is the ultimate tool to remove even the most difficult locking wheel nuts or bolts. It comes with internal and external centering guides to help drill down the middle of the wheel nut or bolt. The kit also comes with steel drill bits which have a carbide cutting insert. These are suitable for drilling hard steel coatings. A great tool for when wheel nut sockets are damaged or missing. Once drilled, we can insert one of the ribbed steel extractors by using the extractor holder with a hammer. And now the wheel nut or bolt can be extracted from the vehicle. Once removed, we can then use the extractor removal tool to separate them. The Laser Tools 8912 locking wheel nut removal kit.